Good morning, children. So as you all know that your exams are going to start. So in today's video, I'm going to give you revisions for the lesson 1 and 2. So our first lesson is life on earth. Already I taught you. So let us revise few of the points. So life on earth is very diverse. Different forms of lives are residing and living on the land. So if you'll go towards ocean, if you'll go towards deserts, you will find different landforms and different forms of organisms surviving over there according to their condition. And all living organisms need food, air and water to live. Okay, without these three, living organism would not be able to survive. Okay, so living beings are found in large number at places where they can get their things easily required. Okay, and all living beings are connected to each other through a series of chain that is called food chain. You can see in this picture, and a food chain always starts with a plant. You can see in this picture why it starts for the plant, because plant is a producer. It is only producer because it can have the ability, it is having the ability to prepare their own food. So a food chain always starts with a plant. Okay, so and what is food chain? Chain in which higher organisms are eating the smaller organism. There are varieties of food chain, that is food chain in desert, food chain in polar region, food chain in ocean, etc. Okay, and all living beings live in different types of environment, and the place where all organisms live and reproduce is called their habitat. See in this picture you can see water habitat, for aquatic animals, land habitat, and so many types of habitat. See ocean habitat, forest habitat, grassland habitat, desert habitat, according to the living condition from where they are suitable and they're reproducing, living over own life, it is called their habitat. Okay, and the body structures of living organisms live in different habitats get molded so that they can live in their habitat without any difficulty, and this is only called adaptation. So children, what is adaptation? The organisms are molding their body structure so that they can they can survive in their environment freely without any difficulty, is called adaptation. Okay children, so here we are starting our second chapter, that is our water chapter. So our earth is mainly comprises of water. So 97% of water is found in oceans and 2% on ice on the peaks and the poles, and the remaining 1% is in the rivers. Okay, you can see in this picture that 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered by water. Okay, but however the amount of usable water is very small for this portion because it is not suitable for drinking, because most of the water is saline in our earth. Okay, so water is very necessary for living. It acts as a medium for various life processes. Okay, our next topic is solute, solvent and solution. You can see clearly in this picture. The substance which is going to dissolve is called solute, in which it is dissolving is called solvent, and the mixture of both, that is called solution. Okay children, so solute, solvent and solution. Nextly, the water is called universal solvent. Why it is called universal solvent? Because because of a solubility. Everything we are solubility of different substance in water is different. And also why it is called universal solvent? Because its property is its ability to dissolve. Okay, so that's why water is called universal solvent. Our next topic is hard water and soft water. So water from some sources that does not give good lather is called hard water. Okay, and water which gives more lather with soap is called soft water. Okay, so hardness of water which do not give lather with soap, we can say that it is a hard water. And hardness of water is of two types: temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness, children, is due to the presence of bicarbonates of magnesium and calcium salts. Okay, this can be removed by boiling. But permanent hardness is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, and which cannot be removed by boiling. Okay, so hardness is of two types: temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Our next topic is contaminated water. Sometimes water is contaminated because of the presence of various bacteria and impurities in that, and this can be removed by using potassium permanganate crystals, and by using ultraviolet rays, or by using bleaching powder. Okay, you can see in this picture. So children, here I am ending my today's explanation. There is lot more things to give you for revision. So next class I am going to give all those things. So children, goodbye till then.